Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last two videos we have seen that how we can install tab navigation in React Native CLI. In the second video we seen that how we can change the icon like I did here in the for tab. Now in this video we are going to learn how we can navigate from one screen to another screen with sending some information. So I want to go from welcome. Suppose I am on welcome screen. From this welcome screen I want to go to the profile screen or some other screen. So how I can navigate from this, that I want to show. So I go to welcome screen here. You see that in welcome screen I have this text. So after this text I create a button. So here I say button, React Native button. I give title to this and I say go to profile like this, and I say color to this button is green. Save this and you will see that on this button welcome screen we will have a button go to profile. So I say one event also here. So I say on press, I say handle press but function here. So after this I create a function because it will say error. So I say const, I say handle press equal to, and we have arrow function. Save this. We have an arrow function here. Now in this arrow function what I do, I say that I want to go to other activity. So first of all in welcome screen I need to get props. Remember that the props will come, and I will take props here to get the navigation. So I take object navigation from here and I say props like this way. I will get navigation object from this. Now I want to go to profile. So similar to the stack I say navigation dot navigate and I pass here profile. Remember the name profile because we have given the name here. Remember this profile name we have given. We can go to register also, we can go to other also. So whatever the name we have given the profile here. So save this. So when I click on welcome here, so we have a error handle press. Okay, spelling is mistake. So I say handle press. Save this. Once again we have this function. Click on welcome, go to profile. You see I click on profile and directly I just go to the profile activity. You see I am on welcome and I say go to profile, and I can create button on profile also. I can say go back to welcome. So for that what I do, I go to profile and here I do the same thing. I create this button. Remember I copy this in profile also. I go there. Here I just paste this and I say go back, and again handle press. So I copy this function. Similarly handle press I copy both. So I go here in profile, paste it, and here I say props because I will send the props, navigation props, and from here I don't want to go to the welcome. I say go back. So this function will send me the go back from where I just came. So here you see I just go to this one. We have button does not exist because in profile we not use button. So save this. So I click on welcome. You see I click on profile. So I went to profile. I just go back. I click on go back button and you see I go back to the home screen because it's go to the home screen, the first screen that we have in this, because it's not a stack. So I go back to the screen, to the first screen. But from here if I want to go back to the welcome screen, same I have to say. I say navigate and I say navigate to welcome. Save this, navigate. So I click on welcome screen, I go to profile and I click go back. You see from this two I come back to the welcome screen because I said here you go back to the welcome screen. You see that we are able to go from welcome screen to profile screen, and from profile to we can go back to welcome screen. Now if we want to send some information from this welcome to profile, how we can send, that we are going to learn. Here I am on welcome screen. From this welcome screen I want to send some information to profile. So here I create an object, I say info, and here in this I say hello by welcome, like this, and I save this. So this I want to pass to the profile. So I go to profile, and here in this profile I say I need route also from the props, and this routes I need the value. For example, I say I need info because I am sending info from the route dot param, like this way. From route dot params I get this info, and from this I need this information to be displayed. So, and I try to display here info, save this, and I go to welcome, and I go to this, and you see hello by welcome, we have this message. So I just remove all this, and or I say profile like this, and you will see that on the profile screen we have welcome to hello by welcome. So this message we have sent. So I save this. So this message we have sent. So go back, and from this I send, go to profile, and in profile we have hello by welcome. So this message we are sending here, you see this is the object, this message I am sending from welcome screen to the profile screen. So similarly you can send data from welcome to register also, registers to welcome also. So in this video we'll learn how we can navigate from one screen to another using tab navigator, and we also learn how we can send information from one activity to another activity. That's all in this video. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this.